Welcome to the Skilled MBA Human Resource Management Case Study Series, where we explore how business performance intersects with human behavior, diversity, and inclusion. In today's global work environment, cultural collisions are more common than ever. These challenges often stem from differing values, communication styles, and perspectives on recognition and success. For example, in individualist cultures, personal achievements are celebrated openly. But in collectivist cultures, such displays may be seen as disruptive or self-centered, leading to tension, misinterpretation, or even resentment. These recognition struggles highlight a deeper issue. How can organizations create a culture where all identities feel seen, respected, and valued? This case encourages leaders and HR professionals to explore strategies that go beyond diversity, to foster true inclusion through empathetic communication, cultural sensitivity, and adaptive recognition frameworks. Because when people feel understood, performance and cohesion naturally follow. Alex Brown faces a dilemma at Show Vista, where his data-driven successes are overshadowed by a culture prioritizing relationships and consensus. Despite boosting revenue, he feels undervalued and disconnected from the recognition system, leading to frustration and emotional exhaustion. The emphasis on hierarchy and collective harmony challenges his individual achievements, creating a cultural clash. Alex, as national marketing head at Show Vista, excels in data-driven strategies, boosting revenue. Yet, he feels undervalued, disconnected from recognition systems, and frustrated by the emphasis on relationships over results. The cultural focus on consensus and hierarchy leaves him emotionally drained, struggling to align personal achievements with organizational values. Western business values prioritize individual achievement, direct communication, and merit-based recognition. In contrast, Indian corporate values emphasize collective harmony, indirect communication, and relationship-based recognition. Alex navigates these conflicting systems, striving to balance efficiency with relationship building, while grappling with loyalty and tenure expectations that challenge his professional identity. Hofstede's cultural dimensions reveal Alex's struggle with power distance and collectivism at Show Vista. Person-organization fit theory shows a clash between Alex's values and company norms. Hertzberg's two-factor theory highlights how lack of recognition affects motivation. Self-determination theory examines how limited autonomy and competence recognition impact Alex's engagement. Hofstede's cultural dimensions reveal significant contrasts between Western and Indian scores in power distance and individualism. Alex's direct, results-focused approach clashes with Show Vista's hierarchical, relationship-oriented culture. This misalignment highlights the challenges in adapting leadership styles to fit diverse cultural expectations, impacting communication and effectiveness within the organization. Show Vista's leadership may struggle with rewarding merit due to cultural misalignment. Opaque promotion processes can drive talent away, highlighting the need for transparent systems. Balancing cultural respect with global fairness standards is crucial to avoid long-term costs of recognition disconnect, impacting talent retention, motivation, and perceived equity in diverse teams. Cultural misalignment can lead to significant hidden costs. 39% of expatriate assignments fail due to cultural adjustment issues, while engagement drops by 58% when recognition is lacking. The cost of replacing mid-level managers is 3.5 times higher due to cultural misfit, and innovation declines by 27% in teams with recognition gaps. Strong cross-cultural leadership improves retention by 22% and performance by 31%. Alex initially felt enthusiastic about implementing data-driven marketing at Show Vista. However, confusion arose when achievements went unrecognized, leading to frustration as colleagues advanced through relationships rather than results. This culminated in an identity crisis, questioning whether adaptation meant compromising core values. Now at a crossroads, Alex must choose between adapting, advocating for change, or seeking new opportunities. Alex should develop cultural intelligence by understanding Indian business norms, building intentional relationships, and seeking mentorship. Advocating for transparent systems involves proposing data-backed frameworks and hybrid recognition approaches. Career realignment requires evaluating alignment with personal values, exploring internal opportunities, and assessing external options for better cultural fit. Show Vista can enhance its organizational culture by creating cultural bridges through formal and informal systems, fostering mutual understanding. Implementing hybrid recognition systems will honor both relationship building and measurable results. Cross-cultural training is essential for team development, while transparent advancement criteria ensure clear career progression paths that respect cultural differences. Transformational leaders enhance cultural competence by fostering self-awareness, adaptive communication, and cognitive flexibility. They excel in recognition intelligence and balanced validation systems. By creating third culture spaces, they enable diverse teams to thrive authentically, ensuring a shared purpose is maintained. Cultural analysis involves using organizational behavior frameworks to identify cultural fit and friction points. Recognition theory highlights how cultural differences affect motivation through diverse recognition methods. Adaptive leadership requires crafting flexible strategies for multicultural settings. Synthesis skills integrate human resources, leadership, and personal development into cohesive plans. Self-reflection is crucial for assessing personal cultural adaptability and career alignment globally. Cultural navigation is essential for global leaders, enabling them to adapt without losing authenticity. Recognition systems must honor diverse values to shape behavior effectively. While adaptability is crucial, core values should remain uncompromised. Successful cross-cultural environments create third cultures, blending diverse approaches. Cultural alignment focuses on thriving with purpose, integrating recognition, leadership, and values in global organizations. Thank you for engaging with the Skilled MBA case series. We hope this journey has enriched your understanding of global business dynamics. For further inquiries, reach out via mobile or email, or visit our website